O holy sun, come shine down into my heart. Light of zenith, come. Light of zenith, come. O my Father, heart of the heavens, light of the world, guide and protect my heart, my heart, my heart. Guide and protect this world with your love, with your light, with your power. Guide and protect my heart, this world. With your love, with your light, with your power. Guide and protect my heart, this world. Heart of the heavens.